Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, with your daily dose of market news on Capital Markets Quickie. Let's dive into what happened in the markets yesterday. So, we saw tech stocks taking the lead in driving the major averages up on Thursday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average had a modest gain, up about 0.2%. Meanwhile, the Standard & Poor's 500 enjoyed a stronger climb of 0.8%, and the Nasdaq Composite really shone with an impressive rise of nearly 1.4%. Well, it seems that investors have been closely monitoring the labor market for clues about the Federal Reserve's next moves. This week's signs, suggesting the labor market is stabilizing, hint at the effectiveness of the Fed's rate hikes in controlling inflation. With a softer economic landing looking more likely, traders are increasingly betting on a potential shift in Fed policy towards rate cuts. However, there are many other experts who warn about these expectations leading to big disappointments. Now, tech stocks were at the forefront of these gains. A standout was Alphabet, which soared more than 5% following the announcement of new AI initiatives. On the data front, we had the latest weekly jobless claims. The report showed 220,000 claims filed in the week ending December 2nd. This figure aligns with economists' expectations and shows a modest increase in layoffs, reinforcing the idea that the labor market is holding steady. But the real game changer will be Friday's monthly U.S. jobs report. This is going to be a critical indicator of inflation and interest rate trends right before the Fed's final meeting for the year next week. Investors and experts alike will be scrutinizing this data for any signs of what's to come. And that's a wrap for today's market summary. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, keep an eye on the markets. Thanks for joining me on Capital Markets Quickie, and I'll catch you in the next episode on Monday. Have a great weekend, everyone.